The world is facing unprecedented change, and people are getting poorer while the rich get richer. You need to listen to this video carefully so you can learn the best manifestation techniques in order to avoid defeat in the coming world order. Welcome to Wealth World. Today, I am going to teach you the best manifestation techniques so you can start improving your life and ensure your success in a coming era of chaos and confusion. In a world where financial stability and prosperity are often elusive dreams, the concept of manifesting wealth has gained significant attention. Manifestation is the process of turning your desires into reality by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals. When it comes to wealth, the ability to manifest abundance can be life-changing. This essay explores the art of manifesting wealth and delves into various techniques and strategies to help you achieve financial abundance. In recent years, the law of attraction and the power of manifestation have become hot topics in the self-help and personal development spheres. The idea that your thoughts and intentions can shape your reality is not new, but it has gained renewed interest and attention. Whether you're looking to improve your financial situation, overcome financial challenges, or simply want to live a more prosperous life, the principles of manifesting wealth can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Setting clear intentions. The journey to manifesting wealth begins with setting clear intentions. Without a specific goal, the universe cannot align with your desires. You must be crystal clear about what you want to achieve in terms of financial abundance. Visualization is a powerful technique for setting clear intentions. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life. Visualize yourself living in abundance, experiencing the financial freedom you desire. When you can see and feel your goals, they become more tangible, and your subconscious mind starts working to bring them into reality. Affirmations are another essential tool for setting intentions. Repeating positive affirmations like, "I am wealthy," "Money flows effortlessly into my life," and "I attract abundance in all forms," can reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest wealth. The more you repeat these affirmations, the stronger your faith becomes. Gratitude, the magnet for wealth. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for wealth. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, which in turn attracts more of what you desire into your life. To harness the power of gratitude, start a gratitude journal. Each day, write down what you are grateful for, no matter how small it may seem. Expressing gratitude for your current financial situation, even if it's not where you want it to be, sets the stage for attracting wealth. The law of attraction. Like attracts. Like central to the concept of manifesting wealth is the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. In the context of wealth, this means that if you focus on scarcity and financial struggles, you will attract more of the same into your life. Conversely, if you focus on abundance and prosperity, you will draw wealth towards you. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in the law of attraction. It's essential to cultivate a positive and abundance-oriented mindset. Replace negative thoughts about money with positive ones. Whenever you catch yourself thinking, "I can't afford that," or "I'll never be rich," consciously reframe those thoughts into statements like, "I am open to receiving abundance," or "I am on my path to financial success." Meditation techniques for wealth. Manifestation meditation is a powerful practice that can help you align your thoughts and emotions with your wealth goals. Here are some meditation techniques to supercharge your wealth manifestation journey. 1. Guided wealth meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and listen to a guided meditation that focuses on wealth and abundance. These guided sessions are designed to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. 2. Deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises are an integral part of meditation. Inhale positivity and exhale negativity. Focus your mind on your breath and let go of any financial worries or stress. This practice can help calm your mind and create a more receptive state for manifesting wealth. 3. Wealth visualization. During your meditation sessions, visualize your financial goals coming to fruition. Picture yourself living the life you desire, experiencing the abundance you've always dreamed of. Visualizing your goals with intensity and emotion can accelerate their manifestation. Taking inspired action. While manifesting wealth involves working on your mindset and energy alignment, it is also crucial to take inspired action. You must actively work towards your financial goals. Here's how. Create a plan. Set clear, achievable financial goals and create a plan to reach them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and set deadlines for each. A well-defined plan keeps you focused and motivated. Daily actions. Take small, consistent steps towards your financial goals every day. These actions can include budgeting, saving, investing, or working on a side hustle. The universe rewards effort, so make sure you're actively contributing to your financial success. Morning wealth rituals. To supercharge your wealth manifestation journey, consider incorporating morning rituals into your daily routine. Affirmation. Mirror. Begin your day by looking into the mirror and reciting your wealth affirmations with conviction. As you do this, visualize yourself living the life of abundance you desire. This practice sets a positive tone for your day and reinforces your belief in your wealth goals. Wealth journaling. Spend a few minutes each morning writing down your financial goals, plans, and any inspired ideas that come to you. This not only helps you clarify your intentions, but also keeps you accountable for taking action towards your wealth goals. Surround yourself with abundance. Your physical environment plays a significant role in your manifestation journey. Surrounding yourself with symbols of abundance and prosperity can help you stay aligned with your wealth goals. Create an abundance corner. Dedicate a specific corner in your home or workspace to represent your wealth goals. Place symbols of abundance such as crystals, wealth-related books, or a vision board with images of your financial aspirations. Whenever you see this space, it serves as a reminder of your wealth journey. Vision board. Creating a vision board is a powerful visualization tool. Collect images, words, and visuals that represent your financial goals, and create a visual collage on a board or in a digital format. Place your vision board in a prominent place where you can see it daily. Visualizing your goals in this way reinforces your commitment to manifesting wealth. Positive self-talk. Your inner dialogue profoundly influences your reality. To support your wealth manifestation journey, practice the following. Silence your inner critic. Be aware of negative self-talk related to money and replace it with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs. Whenever you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good with money," or "I'll never be wealthy," counteract these thoughts with statements like, "I am financially capable," and "I attract wealth effortlessly." Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and compassion. Recognize that financial challenges are part of the journey, and setbacks are opportunities for growth. Practice self-forgiveness and stay committed to your financial goals. Giving back. The abundance cycle. Manifesting wealth is not just about accumulating wealth for yourself, it also involves giving back. When you give to others, you open the doors to receiving more abundance in return. Acts of kindness and generosity create a positive flow of energy. Contribute to a cause, choose a charitable organization or cause that resonates with you, and contribute your time, money, or skills. Helping others in need not only makes a positive impact on the world, but also reinforces your connection to the abundance of the universe. In conclusion, manifesting wealth is within your reach. It starts with setting clear intentions, practicing gratitude, and aligning your mindset with abundance. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your manifestation success stories in the comments below. And remember, you have the power to manifest wealth in your life. Keep believing, keep manifesting, and watch your dreams come true.